Welcome to the Fresh Step Productions channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to create your very own custom thumbnail. But before I get into that tutorial, I'll be showing you guys today's installment of Riddle Time. And today's riddle goes like this. A box without treasure, key, or lid, yet golden treasure inside is hid. What is it? Now, in order to get answer to that particular riddle, please stay tuned to the end of this video to find out. Now, I'll be getting into the tutorial, and this is what I'll be posting as the thumbnail for this video, and I'll be showing you guys how I come up as to making that thumbnail. So firstly, I go to this website called Pixabay to get my royalty free images, or copyright free, whichever you want to call it. And this jet ski, it's someone apparently doing some jet ski stunts, and I'll be copying the person out of this image and discarding of the background. And I'll now start editing. So first, you have to open the file of the jet ski since you want to remove the background from it. Then you unlock the layer for editing and ensure that you have selected the marquee tool. Now I've done a video before of using this editor in order to remove a particular background from our picture. Now this, the only thing different about this now is that I'll now be using the marquee tool, which I didn't use in the previous video. So you just select an area, use the delete key so that you are able to delete those areas that are unnecessary to your picture that you'll be using. You just select the area of the picture that you don't want, hit the delete key, do the same up here, select, delete. Wait, it didn't move as it should earlier. I'll just discard off that one. Then I just need to create another one right here. Carry it up just above the head of the person in the picture. Then from here on, you'll use the one tool, set it to a number that is relevant to the situation, and just keep deleting around, and you will find a much more clearer tutorial about using the one tool in the video that I'll now be tagging just about at the top corner of the screen, about up here where the cursor is moving. So when you're finished cleaning up this particular picture as much as you want, then you can go on to PNG, which will keep the transparency of the image. Then click OK, and your image will be saved. Now you can reload that particular web page, and now you can go ahead and use the background image. So the background image is that of a surfer. Then you unlock that image, go to layer, open image as layer, then open that image of the person on the jet ski, put it behind the person on the surfboard. So based on your particular picture that you are editing, do whichever it takes in order to make the picture seems legitimate, and you'll be good to go. So just tap on that. It'll ask if you want to apply the changes. You say yes. Ensure that the size is quite comparable. They are of the same size, so you can make it slightly smaller since the person on the jet ski is more likely further away in the image. So now here I go for free transform once more, and just slightly smaller as he is not all that far, and that seems quite okay now. Just apply the changes and put the person on the jet ski a little further away, and that should do it. But before you go ahead and save this, you got to add a new layer and enter your what is now called a type tool. Then you could put your writing up there. You can select your font that you want to use. It's up to you which one you decide to use and so on. But for now, I'll be using a font that I recently downloaded about a week ago. I think it's called Gloss and Bloom. So I'll be typing in making cool thumbnails. And I'll be changing the color to yellow. And tap OK, but you probably need a brighter yellow than that. After you have gotten the right variation or the variation that you're looking for, just tap OK, and now you can resize your writing. After it has been resized to what you want it to be, go to your move tool and move it to the most convenient spot on the screen. And there it is. It's not exactly the same as earlier because it might be a different. I think I've used the exact same fonts for this one. Anyway, you may be able to see a slight difference. One is bigger and the other one is smaller, but at least it's the same concepts. And you guys have now seen how you can blend those images together. And now it's time to get the answer to the riddle time installment. The question once more is, a box without treasure, key, or lid, yet golden treasure inside is hid. What is it? And the answer, believe it or not, it's a simple egg. Yes, the answer is an egg. Now, this is the end of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment of what you think of this video. Goodbye.